Hi guys, welcome back. So I had this really large bag. This measures actually 11 tall by 8.5 across. It's definitely not going to fit into this book like it is. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a corner tuck out of this like triangle on the bag that I'm about to cut. What I do want to do is I do want to preserve this because I finally remembered where this bag came from. We went to this store in Austria and it sold all of these, like, I think that's where it came from anyway. I might be mistaken. I'm not sure. But anyway, it sold all these honey products. And so I do want to preserve this. And even if it's not from that store, that's what it reminds me of at this point in time. So I think what I'm going to do is just kind of cut down here, and then I'm just going to glue it on to this particular page. All right, hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I just took my regular scissors and I just came along here and I cut that out. Now I have it extending a little bit too far at the top. So I'm going to come in here and very skillfully chop it. There we go. And then this guy is going to live right here. But before I put it down, I don't super love this corner right here. I think it looks a little, I don't know. It's not neat. So I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to trim this off just a little bit and make it a little bit more smooth and interesting, I hope. Let's see here. There we go. Yeah, that looks neat. All right, so we can put this guy in here, but I do want to kind of denote that it's a pocket. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and I'm only going to cut one side of it. So let's see if I can just kind of trim it down just a little bit to kind of denote that it's a pocket and there's like more stuff going on here. And let's see here. Let's see if this is going to work. This is definitely going to work. I know it's going to work. Yeah, that's cool. All right. So here we go. And I'm going to take this glue stick and I'm going to go ahead and glue this guy down. And then I think I'm going to rifle through my stash of stickers and see if I can find some super cool stickers to put on here. All right, I'll be right back. All right, folks, so I'm back. And I've just taken my glue stick and I have glued down this corner basically that we cut out of the book, and I still have book remnants on here, not book remnants, the bag remnants on here. And I think, oh look, there's another one. I'm going to take my dollar store marker again. Oh my goodness. That's what happens when you have glue fingers. Oh, I didn't have my mic attached. Perfect. All right, so here we go. You should be able to hear me now. So I glued it down. And what I want to do is I just want to kind of come in here with my marker and just kind of mark it up a little bit. Just so you can see the differentiation when you put this down. Oh, there we go. Do that just a little bit more. Okay. All right, and now for this. Now I could take some of the brochures that I already had, but I found this is a super cool thing. It was actually a part of a very large border, and I like this because it has like little sparkles on it. And I thought it would look neat up here in the corner, like it was poking out kind of over the top. So when you turn the page, you're like, oh my goodness, what is over there? What's happening? So I'm going to take my handy dandy glue stick once again, and I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to glue this guy down and put him right here, but I want to kind of have him poking up out of the edge. There we go. Just squish him down. Sorry, you guys weren't even in frame. Okay. So now we have these like super cool things up at the top, but you see that it doesn't extend past the top of the book, so I'm still in a good place. All right, so there's that. And I found these other stickers that I've had probably for forever, I don't know. And I'm just gonna pick one. I kind of like the way this one looks, and I kind of like that one too. You know, let's use this one. I think it'll stand out better against the brown paper. So this is again a sticker, and I'm just going to put this, actually I'm going to do this so it kind of adheres to the bottom and helps this pocket stay down a little bit more. But again, I've already glued it down, so it's really not going anywhere. So there's that, and I like the way that looks. And then I ended up buying this from somewhere. I guarantee I did not pay $4.25 for it. And this book isn't necessarily about Paris per se, but it does have some French things to it. So I think, ooh, that's not very sticky. I've had it for a while. Just gonna put a little bit of glue on here. There. And I think I'm gonna do something, I don't know, maybe like that. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I think I'll go straight up and down. There. Just stick that guy down. Now I can take one of the brochures, whatever I want. This is the guy that I cut out the crown from the other week. He's a really weird wax looking figurine. I don't think he wants to be in here, but if he did, he could just go and live right here. Like that. So anyway, this is a little bit longer of a video. Ooh, it's super long. It's almost 7 minutes. All right. Hope you guys had a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.